Hi guys, welcome to another video, and today we're gonna be playing this game, which is this submarine game. And why is there an octopus there? Hold on, please let me open the chest. No.
Anything and anything that you don't want in your life. Anything toxic. Yung mga bagay na magpapapalala.
Bye. That was my 5th time dying. Uy.
They were dealing with something that's super familiar, especially sa mga Filipinos. We'll be using, you know, this is ube. Looks like this. Kasi kadalasan we see it everywhere na nandun sa halaya po. But we're gonna do something different. Instead of just making it into halaya, we're gonna make it into a pie and then add some whiskey. So hopefully it's gonna be a clean flavor. Before we start with the pie crust, kailangan natin unahin yung filling. Because we're gonna make your halaya from scratch. It's gonna take you 25 to 30 minutes to boil this thing. And as you can see, hindi siya binalatan pero pinag ko siya. It's because we still want to keep that. Just fill a pot with water. Pag gusto mo makover talaga siya. We're gonna start cold. Kasi kapag you start with hot water,
kasi magulan.
what's gonna happen is magiging sobrang mushy yung upper part. Pero yung gitna hilaw pa. You don't want that. We're waiting for this one to boil. We can start with that. So we only have like 4 ingredients for the pie crust. All-purpose flour, 2.5 cups. Half a cup of very low water. Cold, and some salt, around half a teaspoon, and a cup of unsalted butter. Yung unsalted butter natin, when I say 1 cup, it's around 1 bar. So I'm gonna use, of course, kung kompleto yung tools nyo, meron siguro kayong pastry cutter, yung parang may handle. It's like a brass knuckles. It helps with cutting in the flour. So first step is, I transferred it to a bigger bowl lang. Easier to work with, you need more space. Put the butter one by one. Kinat ko na siya ito cubes. Mas madaling marub in. Ngayon, sobrang lamig ng kamay ko. Nakatutok sa akin ng aircon. So, hindi ganun ka-necessary to use this one. First thing that we're gonna do is just coat everything in the butter. Make sure na lahat yan balot na balot. I just do this with my fingers. That's how I rub in my butter. And putting effort lang. So, it's not as fine as flour. Tapos, meron pa akong nakalimutan ilagay. So, pasensya nyo na. Simple lang naman, salt. Dapat actually yung step nito, combine muna yung flour and salt. Although I have half a cup of water, I'm gonna start off with around 2 tablespoons muna. Sa gitna. By the way, yung motion na ginagawa ko, para lang not everything sticks to my hand. From the sides, parang yung squat. So, hindi ka mabubuo. So, minsan parang intimidating kasi medyo nakakatakot kasi you'll notice na parang ba't ganito, mix ako ng mix, nilagay ko na yung tubig, ang crumbly pa rin niya. It's actually something na dapat natin malaman. It's okay if your dough is still a bit crumbly. Ang gusto lang natin mangyari